Hello everyone, welcome to PJ Chemistry channel. Today we are going to discuss chemical reactions equations in that oxidation reduction. Okay, what is meant by oxidation? Oxidation, reduction, both I will compare, easy to remember. What is meant by oxidation? What is meant by reduction? Yes, oxidation means, first definition based on elements. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Okay, first definition, addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen is nothing but oxygen more electronegative element. Some books they used to give addition of more electronegative element. That is also correct only because oxygen is more electronegative element. Next to fluorine also you can add. Okay, more electronegative element. So addition of more electronegative element like that also. Or removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Or loss of electrons. Loss of electrons. When electrons lost from this, it will get positive charge, means oxidation number increased. Loss of electrons. So based on oxidation number, increasing oxidation number. Increasing oxidation number. Next, reduction. It's opposite reduction. Addition of oxygen, oxidation. Removal of oxygen, reduction. Or sorry, here addition you given, here also addition I will write. Okay, right? Which is removed, that will be added here. Means oxidation, removal of hydrogen. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. These both are opposite. Oxidation, reduction. You remove, I will take. If I remove, you will take. Like that. Next, removal of oxygen. Next, what about electrons? Loss of electrons, oxidation. Here, gain of electrons. Gain of electrons. Next, here increasing oxidation number. Oxidation. Here decreasing oxidation number. Oxidation number. Reduction. Yes, oxidation, another name is reducing agent. It is also called reducing agent or reducing property, property or reductant. Reductant. Next, reduction, another name is oxidizing property. Both are opposite. Oxidizing agent or oxidizing property. Oxidizing agent or oxidizing property or oxidant. Oxidant. This is about oxidation reduction. Okay, these keep it in the mind and apply to the examples. Yes. Redox reaction. What is meant by redox reaction? Redox reaction. 10th class first chapter based on oxidation, reduction, redox reaction, compulsory question. So, what is meant by redox reaction? A reaction which can show both oxidation, reduction in it are called redox reaction. Reaction which shows both oxidation and reduction in it. Okay, same reaction can show both oxidation as well as reduction. Such type of reactions we call redox reactions. Both oxidation and reduction are called redox reaction. Now we will go through the examples. For example, here I will explain reaction wise how to find out oxidation, reduction, redox reactions. Okay. First, I am going through the examples of combination reactions. If in combination reaction, how to find out oxidation, reduction, redox reaction. Already starting classes we discussed. Whenever an equation, a reaction proceeding, we need to observe in that reaction is which type of reaction. Not only the particular type of reaction, are there any other type of reactions? Means energy released, exothermic, energy absorbed, endothermic. Next, now oxidation reduction. That is also we need to observe. Okay. So here related combination reaction, very easy to identify. Reactant side elements, product side compound. Other means that is 100% redox reaction. Fix your mind. Okay. See here examples. Magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. Balance this. Here, two types of questions. Question you have to understand first. Based on question, our answer should be there. Magnesium, one in the presence of oxygen, magnesium oxide. Okay. Now, if you take like that, my question, first question is, given equation is oxidized or reduced. Given equation is oxidized or reduced. At the time, we have to go through first definition what we given oxidation reduction. Oxidation, first definition, addition of oxygen. Okay, here magnesium, oxygen, reactant side. After reaction, product magnesium oxide means oxygen added to magnesium. Oxygen added to magnesium. So addition of oxygen takes place now. Based on that question, this answer is oxidized. This answer is oxidized. That much only you have to think. Given equation, oxidized or reduced. Okay, oxidized or reduced. Oxidized means oxidation. Reduced means reduction. So, oxidized or not? Oxygen is there. Addition of oxygen occurs. So, addition of oxygen means oxidized. Next, second question. Second type of question. Same equation. How you prove below the equation is redox reaction? How you prove below the reaction is redox reaction? Now immediately we have to go for third and fourth definition what we discussed. Third is what we discussed, loss of electrons oxidation, gain of electrons reduction. Increasing oxidation number oxidation, decreasing oxidation number reduction. Based on that we have to go for second type of question. Okay, like that. Based on question our answer will be there. So to this only I given that many definitions there. Okay, now see here below the equation is redox reaction or not. How to prove? Elementary form, magnesium is an element still not participated in the reaction, means no loss, no gain. At the time, its oxidation number is 0. Oxygen also, O2, still it is in elementary form, not participated in the reaction. Elementary form means oxidation number is 0. Element, just element is there means its oxidation number 0. After reaction, these both are combined. When bond formation happens, means to get stability, magnesium lost 2 electrons, oxygen gain 2 electrons. At that time here it forms charge. Magnesium lost 2 electrons means plus 2, oxygen gained 2 electrons means minus 2. Okay, now you observe here magnesium initially 0 to increase to plus 2. Oxidation number initially 0, product side plus 2, increase it to plus 2. So increasing oxidation number are called oxidation. Same way, Oxygen, you observe it. Oxygen, reactant side 0, product side -2. Means decreased oxidation number. Decreased oxidation number means reduction. Decreasing oxidation number means reduction. So an equation, same equation shows both oxidation and reduction. So this reaction is also redox reaction. Okay. They will ask here. They will ask here one more. Find out oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Which is undergoing to oxidation, that is we call reducing agent. Which is undergoing to reduction, that is we call oxidizing agent. So while giving answers, we have to give like this. Magnesium is oxidized to magnesium is oxidized to magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Next, oxygen is reduced to magnesium oxide. Now, which is the oxidizing agent? Which is reducing agent? Which is the oxidizing agent? Which is reducing agent? Which is oxidized, that is reducing? Which is reduced, that is oxidizing? So, oxidizing agent is agent is which is undergoing to reduction, that is oxidizing agent. So here oxygen is reduction now, so it is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is O2. Then can you say the remaining? Reducing agent is magnesium. Okay, which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent means just reactant side elements which is undergoing to oxidation, that is we call reducing agent. Which is undergoing to reduction, that is we call oxidizing agent. Like this we have to give answers. Now, yes, go for one more equation. Copper plus oxygen gives rise to copper or cupric oxide. Can you? Yes. Immediately. Is it oxidized or reduced? One type of question. So addition of oxygen oxidized. How you prove below the equation is redox reaction? Same like this only. Elementary form. Elementary form. 0, 0. Copper lose 2 electrons, oxygen gain 2 electrons. Okay. Same. Copper 0 to plus 2 increased. Oxygen 0 to minus 2 decreased. Increased oxidation number are called oxidation. Copper going to oxidation. Oxygen going to reduction. which is undergoing to oxidation, that is we call reducing agent, which is undergoing to reduction, that is we call oxidizing agent. So here answer we should write. First answer as per the question. Copper oxidized to copper oxide. Copper is oxidized to copper oxide. Next, oxygen is reduced to copper oxide. Next, which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent. So what is reduced now? Oxidizing agent is O2. Reducing agent is copper, which is oxidized, that is reducing agent. Yes. Next, magnesium plus hydrogen, magnesium hydride, forms. Now, is it oxidized or reduced? Immediately, hydrogen adding to the magnesium, so addition of hydrogen is reduction, reduced. Is it oxidized or reduced? Already I said, reactant side elements, product side compound is there, means that is a compulsory redox reaction. Okay, now see here. Initially, magnesium elementary form 0, hydrogen also elementary form 0. After reaction, oxidation number 1 rule is there. When hydrogen with metals, its oxidation number is -1. Okay, so hydrogen gaining electron from magnesium. How many electrons? 2 hydrogens. Now each hydrogen 1 electron, 2 hydrogens, 2 electrons. Now check here. Magnesium 0 to +2. Increased. Increased means oxidation. Hydrogen 0 to -1. Decreased. Decreased means reduction. Increased oxidation number oxidation, decreased oxidation number reduction. Now obviously you can say which is undergoing to oxidation, magnesium. So that is we call reducing agent. Which is undergoing to reduction, hydrogen. Hydrogen is to considered as oxidizing agent. Same like this. Okay, children. Today video length increased more, so we will continue next video with decomposition, displacement, double displacement, how to find out oxidation reduction in it. Okay, thank you children.